Important note, this video is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decision. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Here's your market briefing from Rumour with AI. Michael Saylor is rewriting the playbook for corporate Bitcoin treasuries. Strategy, the firm formerly known as MicroStrategy, is pivoting from pure accumulation to generating yield through Bitcoin dividends. This strategic shift stands in stark contrast to Eric Trump's recent insistence on holding long-term. The move signals a broader institutional dilemma. As volatility persists, public companies are weighing the static value of hodling against the immediate cash flow of dividend distributions. It marks a fundamental change in how digital assets are viewed on balance sheets. Meanwhile, traditional safe havens are rallying hard. Spot gold surged past $4,569, while silver jumped 3.38% in tandem. The precious metals rally is fueled by crude oil plummeting below $100 per barrel on hopes of a peace deal with Iran. Investors are rotating out of energy and into stores of value, betting that geopolitical de-escalation will dampen inflationary pressures. However, the market remains fragile. Trump's latest ultimatum demanding the destruction of 900 pounds of Iran's uranium adds a layer of unpredictable geopolitical risk. This tension directly impacts global liquidity and keeps Bitcoin's correlation with macro uncertainty high. In related news, energy security is shifting in Southeast Asia. The International Atomic Energy Agency has begun its 2027 review of Singapore's nuclear readiness. With the city-state still relying on imported oil and gas for 65% of its energy mix, this review is a critical pivot point. It suggests a long-term strategic move toward nuclear power to ensure stability, reducing reliance on volatile Middle Eastern supply chains. In the mining sector, Blue Lagoon Resources is making headlines. The company has hit commercial production at its Dome Mountain project in British Columbia. Underground extraction rates have exceeded 100 tons daily for over 30 days. This operational milestone validates their technical approach and provides immediate revenue visibility for shareholders trading on the CSE under the ticker BLLG. Looking ahead to today's release, data will drive volatility. At 1400 hours Universal Time Coordinated, the USCB Consumer Confidence Index is due, following a previous reading of 92.8. Consumer sentiment is the leading indicator for retail spending, so any miss could pressure equity markets. Additionally, at 1:30 Universal Time Coordinated, Australia releases its inflation data. The trimmed mean CPI is forecast at 3.4% year-over-year, up from 3.3%. This figure will dictate the Reserve Bank of Australia's next rate decision. If inflation holds firm, expectations for rate cuts will fade, strengthening the AUD and impacting global commodity flows. That's your market briefing. Follow Rumour with AI for daily market intelligence.